Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1 and I'm here with Brandy and Dave and Gigi
and Minnie Dawson.
Dawson somewhere, there he is. So they are staying at the new Coronado Tower. Remind me the name again.
Destino Tower.
Destino Tower.
Gran Destino Tower.
We're so excited. It's beautiful and they have a room here. We're gonna go check it out and give you guys a room tour. We're so excited. So
and we haven't even seen it yet.
No.
And that's weird.
And that's weird, yeah.
Awkward.
So we're excited. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We're in the lobby right now. How gorgeous is the lobby? Guys, I see a lot of hidden Mickeys down here. It's my day of hidden Mickeys. Are we ready? Where'd you see it? Show me.
And gold is on the pink.
Check this out. This is not a regular elevator. This is digital. You have to choose your floor. You don't just hit the button. And here we go.
And then when you hit it, it tells you what it's going to be.
Ah. Which elevator? So we're in elevator A. It says 9 right there.
Yeah.
I'm seeing more hidden Mickeys.
And then look. There's no buttons in here.
Oh my god.
Nothing.
Oh, that is just weird.
This is awesome.
And it tells you that you're going to 9 on the...
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Woo! We're going up.
You sure are. We're
Oh,
moving.
we stopped at 8. No? So many hidden Mickeys today.
One of them.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
It smells so fresh.
So new. So pretty. So pretty. Check the carpet out. Alright, we're walking in the room. Check it out. Look at this huge door. It's like a barn door for the bathroom. Right, Dawson? It's cool, right? You want to show me how it works? Show me how it works. That is awesome. I love it. So cool. Wait, I found a Mickey. Do you see it? Look, we found a Mickey. That's so cute. I love it. All right, let's go in the bathroom. Look how pretty this is, and it smells amazing in here. Everything's so fresh and new. Two sinks, double sinks, a nice big mirror here. All nice and lit up so you can get ready. They have all of your Disney soaps. I love it. Like tacos. I love the backsplash. And they have a separate toilet room in here with a pretty picture. Oh, there's a hidden Mickey up there. I hope you guys see it. And then we'll pivot around and they have a nice big shower. Looks like with a, I don't know, a big shower head. It looks like a raining shower head. I love that. They have the same tile in the shower there. Nice big closet. I like it. Ooh. Got an ironing board, a safe, some places to put your stuff, extra pillows. You come into the main room here and it is gorgeous. I love the design they have in here. Nice new beds. Dawson's already enjoying them over there. I love it. He's claimed his bed.
I claimed my bed.
Have a nice little bench you can either sit on or put your luggage. Comes with Keurig and K-cups, which is awesome.
What's in here?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, is it
Oh,
the
it's the
mini fridge? Ooh, let's see it. So you do have a mini fridge in there. Awesome, awesome.
I was looking for the fridge.
Well, there you go. Here's a nice desk where you can edit your videos if you're a YouTuber. And look at the size of this TV. It's hard to tell, but it's huge. That is a big TV. That's awesome.
Now I can watch TV.
You can watch TV. Nice little sitting area over here. Chair and lamp. And we're on the 9th floor. So we're gonna show you the view here. Check it out. So we are on the front of the building. So here's where you would pull in
Wait, is this the
your
top
car.
floor?
I don't know. Is this how many? 16 floors?
16.
So we're on the 9th. But check
What
it out.
if we were on the 16th?
It would be.
We'd be on the tippy top. Look, you can see Epcot. So check it out. This view is amazing.
Wait, I don't.
So we have Swan and Dolphin over here. We have Epcot. You can see Spaceship Earth over there. Wow, this is awesome. I can even see Imagination.
I think I see a Galaxy Edge.
Oh, Dawson spotted something else. All right, we're gonna pivot around so you can see. Let me zoom out here.
No, I think I see Galaxy Edge.
Galaxy's Edge. Okay, let's check it. Oh, and there's Tower of Terror. We're gonna move around slowly. Tower of Terror. There's the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride, isn't it? No. No, that'd be over there.
No, yeah.
That is Rock and Roller Coaster, I bet. What is that? That blue building? I bet it's Rock and Roller Coaster.
It's rock and roller.
No.
Because
No? Because it's right next to...
Oh, yeah.
it has the.
Okay. Yeah, that's gotta be it.
Got it.
And then we'll pivot around a little bit more and look at that view of Galaxy's Edge. Oh my word, that is amazing. This reminds me of the Disneyland Hotel checking out Galaxy's Edge from way on the tippy top.
And
This is
I see
awesome.
duckies
And you see duckies. That's
on
cool.
the roof.
So this is so cool. And I heard they're lighting up Galaxy's Edge at night, so they might get an amazing view of that as well. So they're testing out the lights already for nighttime, which are beautiful at night. So we are on the 16th floor at Toledo, the restaurant. We're gonna be eating here in a couple nights, and it is gorgeous. I know, the view is insane. And apparently you can watch illuminations from here. Oh, this is awesome. Wonder if they allow you out on the...
Yeah.
They do? Oh, cool. Okay, check this view out. Now we're on the 16th floor and Galaxy's Edge is amazing and huge. Oh my goodness. And it's almost done. So it's really, really nice, fancy in here. There's nobody in here right now, so it's a good time to film it. But I guess you can go out on this little observation deck and watch illuminations, which would be this direction. There's Swan and Dolphin over there. That will be pretty. I can't wait. So check out this view. You can even see Everest from over here. That is really cool. Get a close up of that. Wow. So here's all of Coronado. The rest of the resort. Check out the wall of wine. Hashtag wall of wine. Some more cool tables. I cannot wait to eat here next week. So we are just downstairs from the lobby. This is still part of the lobby area. There's a bar over here. All sorts of tables, sitting areas. And check out this amazing painting over here. That is awesome. And huge. Barcelona Lounge. Okay. I love the colors. Oh, here's another little hidden Mickey. There on the side. That's cool. Love the back of this bar. Stained glass, that's awesome. So this is the old check-in area, and if you turn around, so this hallway is brand new and it leads over to the new towers. Oh my word, there's another hidden Mickey. That's awesome.
How are you?
Good, and you?
It's the view of the tower from the bridge over here. Some chairs over here with charging ports, which is very handy. Do a little spin. There's the check-in and the concierge. These are like little desk areas, quiet sitting areas. Alright guys, well that is it for our room tour here at the new Coronado Springs Gran Destino Hotel. Just opened up about a week or so ago. And a big thank you to Brandy and Dave for letting us tour their room here. So go check out their channel, guys. Brandy and Dave, they have an awesome YouTube channel. Awesome people. So yeah, we got to look at their room and a look around the hotel a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tour of the hotel and their room. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And go check out Victor Naraki, a realtor here in Central Florida. Check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him that Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.